Hi folks, this is Tony Lane with Paul Sherry Conversion Vans here in Piqua, Ohio. We're taking a look at a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica Touring rear entry conversion van. It's a really nice unit. Let's take a look at the back real quick. It's just one push up, one push down. Like I said, it is a Freedom Roads conversion van. Push the button just like that. This is a manual ramp, so you just have to pull it down, push it to the ground like that. You have two locks on either side. It locks it into place when you put it back up. The seat here, the rear seat, folds forward. As you can see here, this stops it from going down. That little lever there, and slide this thing down like that by pushing this button. See that? And that lowers the seat all the way down, as you can see. Push this down, push that button there down, and it puts it back in full force. Now let it down, same thing. Push down. You have a lever underneath. Hold on one second. And then push that down, like that. And then lift upwards. After you, the lever underneath, just got two. As you can see, that button there is what you push to pull it back up, and it sets it in place. You have four tie downs here in the back. And you got a box of tie downs to help. That's your front. Let me pull back out of here to show you how to lock this down. Just lift it back up. And you see here there's a lock in. Pull that forward, and you just lock that in place on both sides. See there, you lock that in place. There's a button right here. Push that and get out of the way. Back over here. This is one button push. Now all the information about this one, including pictures, auto check, things of that nature, is in the comment section on YouTube. So click like and follow. This is the front of the van. As you can see, you have a big touchscreen. Just remind me later. Power, locks, cruise, tilt. Everything's set up to where you can hook everything to your phone for entertainment purposes. Plenty of room in the front. Cup holders, storage. It is push button start. Remote keyless. Has both side doors, automatic start stop. It's got 16,138 miles. Your drive control is right here. As you can see, backup camera. Throw it in park. Top here you have the controls for your van doors. So I'll push this button and it's going to close the back door for me. Take a look outside, see if I can see any blemishes. I've already walked around it and didn't see anything. No dents, no dings. It is a nice unit. Remember, we've been in the business for around 50 years doing conversion vans. We operate in all 50 states. We deliver in all 50 states. Handle financing, trade-ins. Remember to ask for Tony Lane when you call. Thanks for watching.